Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Sennheiser HD400S headphones from Sennheiser. Well, actually, I already said Sennheiser, didn't I? But anyway, going over the box, just some quick information on the size, nothing too detailed, like what is the box contents. And over on the back, it just kind of gives you some basic information about the product itself. After all, these are wired headphones, so there's not going to be too much to detail on the box. But in typical Sennheiser fashion, they have dual sealing on the left and a tape on the right. So just getting these headphones out. Let's see how we get them out of here first and see what we have. I'm not expecting any accessories of any kind. I'll be kind of surprised. Oh, which I probably spoke too soon. This might be a light traveling pouch of some kind, which I would love to see if I can just figure out how to get this out again, struggling. So there are the headphones themselves in their collapsing design, which I'm not a fan of, but I'll explain why in the review, and a link to the review will be in the video description. But yeah, they're just simple looking headphones. And there's the cable itself. Looks rather generous in length for the cable, which is, that's how it should be, right? If you want to make it smaller, just use the tie. Can condense the cable if you want. We'll put this over to the side for now and continue with the rest of the contents. So here's what it looks like to be a traveler's pouch. I wasn't expecting this for these type of headphones. Not that it's a complaint, it's just surprising. So we'll get that out just now and look it over. But first, I'm gonna go over like what I believe is like a safety and warranty guide, but also like a manual, all kind of combined into one giant documentation with multiple languages. So again, they're wired headphones. There's not gonna be too much information, but you can see there's a kind of a small quick start guide explaining what the controls do and all that fun stuff. And then here's the traveler's pouch. So I'm actually gonna put in here right now immediately because it looks too small. I'm just curious, how does it fit? Is it like annoying to put in there? But surprisingly, it just fits in there quickly. So if you're on the go and this is what you need to use, that's pretty convenient. It's nice to have. And that's an unboxing of the 400S. So if you found this video useful, be sure to check out my social links and website link in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.